The National Examination Council has released results for the 2021-2022 secondary school examination as Jonglei State dominates the top 10 by 7 students. 32,437 students sat for the exams at 340 schools across the country. The number of candidates dropped by 5.9% compared to the previous academic year 2020-2021. Among the candidates, 21,128 were males and 11,309 females. Jonglei State and Central Equatoria State become the best performing states, with 76.48 and 74.93% respectively. Also among the top 5 best performing states are Eastern Equatoria State, Lakes State and Unity State. The top 10 students were all from private schools in Jonglei State and Central Equatoria State. Yuang Jacob Gar Yuang from Juba High School, Bor Branch, is the country's best performing student with an average score of 94.1%. Below is the list of top 10 best performing students from across the country. 1. Yuang Jacob Gar Yuang, M. Juba High School, Bor Campus, Jonglei 94.1%. 2. Charles Atek Peter Marween, M. Promised College SS, WBG's 93.9%. 3. William Maker Luthka Cone, M. Fangik SS, Jonglei 93.7%. 4. Bior Madol Com Bior, M. Greenbelt Academy, Jonglei 93.4%. 5. Lemi Emmanuel Elagwani, M. Juba 7-Day Adventist, say 93.4%. 6. Lual Malak Lual Neal, M. Maryland Academy, Jonglei 93.3%. 7. Atongingang Mak Mayan, F. Fuller SS, Ease 93.1%. 8. Maker Simon Duot Garang, M. Bor College, Jonglei 93.0%. 9. Kual Abuk Kual Maria, M. Maryland Academy, Jonglei 92.9%. 10. Anyith Panchal Anyith Mayam, Juba High School Bor Campus, Jonglei 92.7%. Meanwhile, the 10th position has been contended by 3 other candidates who scored the 92.7%. They are Monica Aru Malak Lual, Jonglei, Bronica Nyawech Thingu, say, and Sabiri Gudu Babangida Ibrahim, say. According to the examination results analysis, science subjects were the worst performed, while additional mathematics saw an improvement. To address these challenges, the ministry will have to embark on offering training of science subjects, said Minister Awut Deng Achul in a statement.